Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order after dispatch in Amazon. Let's get started. Canceling an Amazon order is usually straightforward, but the process changes significantly once you see that your item has been dispatched or has shipped. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly what your options are and the steps you need to take in this specific situation. First, it's important to understand that once an order status changes to dispatched or shipped, the standard Cancel Items button will no longer be available in your account. This is because the item has physically left the Amazon fulfillment center and is on its way to you. However, you still have a couple of potential paths to pursue. Your first step is to check the current status of the order. Open the Amazon website or mobile app and make sure you are signed into your account. On the website, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right and click on Your Orders. In the mobile app, tap the three-line menu icon at the bottom right and then select Your Orders from the list. Find the specific order you wish to cancel from your list. If the status says Dispatched or Shipped, look carefully at the available options. You will likely no longer see a Cancel Items button. Your best and fastest option at this point is to attempt a package interception through the carrier tracking information. To do this, click on the Track Package link for your order. This will open a detailed tracking page, often with a link to the shipping carrier's own website, such as UPS, FedEx, or the USPS. Go to the carrier's site and look for options to manage your delivery. Some carriers offer a service to cancel delivery or return to sender for a brief window after dispatch, though this is not always guaranteed and may involve a fee. If intercepting the package through the carrier is not possible, your next step is to simply refuse the delivery when it arrives. When the delivery driver comes to your door, you can tell them you are refusing the package. The driver will then mark it as a refused delivery and return it to the sender. Once Amazon receives the returned item, they will automatically process a full refund to your original payment method. Your final option is to wait for the package to be delivered and then initiate a return. After you receive